Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. If this is your first time here, welcome.
On this podcast, we practice real-life English together.
Simple English, slow English, English you can really use.
We talk about everyday places in North America.
Places you actually go in real life.
Today, we're talking about a pet store.
A place many newcomers feel excited about and a little nervous.
In North America, pet stores are very common.
People go there to buy food, toys, and supplies.
Some people also go there to look at pets.
Dogs, cats, fish, or small animals.
If you're new here, this place can feel confusing.
There are many things, many questions, and many words.
I remember my first time walking into a pet store.
Me too. I didn't know where to start.
I wanted to ask for help, but I felt shy.
I was thinking, what should I say first?
I also worried about my English.
I didn't want to say the wrong thing.
But the staff were friendly.
And they were used to helping new people.
In North America, it's okay to ask simple questions.
You don't need special words.
You can say things like, I'm new here.
Or, this is my first time.
That helps people understand you better.
And they usually speak more slowly.
In this episode, we'll go step by step.
From walking into a pet store to asking questions and making decisions.
We'll use short sentences.
And we'll repeat important ones together.
If you feel nervous, that's normal.
Many people feel the same way.
You don't have to buy anything right away.
You can just look and learn.
So take a breath.
You're not alone.
In the next part, you walk into the pet store for the first time.
You look around and you want to ask for help.
Don't worry, we'll start there.
Okay, let's go. Okay, now you walk into the pet store.
Yes, I'm inside for the first time.
You look around slowly.
There are many shelves and many signs.
You see food, toys, and small cages.
I feel a little lost.
This is very normal.
I want to ask for help.
Let's see how this usually happens.
Okay.
Hi there. Welcome in.
Hi. Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
This is my first time here.
No problem at all.
I'm just looking right now.
Take your time.
Thank you.
If you need help, let me know.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I said, excuse me.
That's a polite way to start.
I also said, this is my first time here.
That helps the staff understand you.
You said, take your time.
That means there is no rush.
I felt more relaxed after that.
Because the pressure was gone.
Next, I want to talk about what kind of pet I'm looking for.
Right, that's the next step. All right, now you know how to ask for help.
Yes, next I want to talk about the pet itself.
This part can feel exciting.
And also a little confusing.
There are many kinds of pets.
Dogs, cats, fish, and small animals.
You are not sure what is right for you.
I want something simple.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
What kind of pet are you looking for?
I'm not sure yet.
That's okay.
This is my first pet.
Do you want a dog or a cat?
Maybe a small pet.
Like a hamster or a fish?
Yes, something easy.
Do you live in an apartment?
Yes, a small apartment.
Then a small pet is a good idea.
That sounds good. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I said, I'm not sure yet.
That is a very useful sentence.
It tells the staff I need guidance.
And that's okay.
I also said, this is my first pet.
That gives important information.
You asked about my home.
Because space matters.
I felt excited but calm.
Because I didn't need to decide right away.
Next, I want to ask about food and basic supplies.
Yes, that comes next. Okay, now you know what kind of pet you want.
Yes, I want to learn about food and basic supplies.
This part is very important.
Because I want to take good care of my pet.
There are many kinds of food here.
I don't know which one to choose.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
What kind of pet do you have?
I'm thinking about a small pet.
Like a hamster or a fish?
Yes.
This food is good for beginners.
Okay.
You will also need a cage.
I see.
And some bedding.
Okay.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe something simple.
A water bottle and some toys.
That sounds good. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I said, I don't know which one to choose.
That's a very useful sentence.
It shows I need help.
And the staff can guide you.
You said, this food is good for beginners.
That helps you feel safer.
You also mentioned a cage and bedding.
Those are basic needs.
I felt more confident after this.
Because now you know the basics.
Next, I want to talk about the price.
Yes, that's the next step. Now you understand the basic supplies.
Yes. Next, I want to ask about the price.
Talking about money can feel uncomfortable,
Especially in a new country.
but it's okay to ask.
I want to stay within my budget.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay.
How much is this food?
It's $20.
And how much is the cage?
The cage is $40.
Okay,
That's a bit expensive for me.
I understand.
Do you have something cheaper?
Yes, we have a smaller cage.
That's good.
It's $30.
Okay, that works.
Would you like to take it?
Yes, I think so. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I asked, how much is this?
That is a very simple and clear question.
I also said, that's a bit expensive for me.
That is polite and honest.
I asked if there was something cheaper.
That helps you stay in your budget.
I felt nervous talking about money.
But you handled it well.
Next, I want to ask about health and care.
Yes, that's important too. Now you understand the price.
Yes, I also want to ask about health and care.
This part is very important for new pet owners.
I want to make sure the pet is healthy,
Many people worry about vaccines and checkups.
especially for the first pet.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay,
Has this pet had any vaccines?
I'm not sure.
That's okay.
Can you tell me?
Yes, this pet has had basic vaccines.
That's good.
You will need to see a vet later.
Okay,
How often should I do that?
about once a year.
Is there anything special I should know?
Just basic care and clean water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I asked about vaccines.
That shows you care about health.
I also asked, how often should I see a vet?
That's a good question.
You said, just basic care.
That helps reduce worry,
I felt more confident after this.
because now you know what to expect.
Next, I want to decide if I will buy today.
Yes, that decision comes next. Now you have all the information.
Yes, I need to make a decision.
This moment can feel exciting.
And a little scary too.
You don't have to decide fast.
I want to think carefully.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay?
Are you ready to buy today?
I think so.
Or would you like some more time?
I'd like a little more time.
That's okay.
I want to be sure.
You can come back later.
Thank you.
Or you can buy today.
I think I'll buy today.
Okay.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I said, I'd like a little more time.
That is a polite way to wait.
I also said, I think I'll buy today.
That shows your decision,
I felt proud making this choice.
because you didn't rush.
Next, I want to talk about paying and store rules.
Yes, that's the next step. Okay, you've made your decision.
Yes, now it's time to pay and ask about store rules.
This part helps you feel safe.
I want to know what happens if something changes.
Let's see how this usually sounds.
Okay?
How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Okay.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
If there is a problem, you can return the item.
How long do I have?
You have 30 days.
That's good to know.
Just keep the receipt.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a full example.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I asked, can I pay by card?
That is very common.
I also asked about returns.
That helps protect you.
You said, keep the receipt.
That's important advice,
I felt more relaxed after this.
because everything was clear.
Next, we'll leave the store and review everything.
Yes, let's do that. Okay, you're ready to leave the pet store.
Yes, I feel much better now.
Let's pause for a moment.
You've done a lot today.
You walked in,
You asked questions,
you talked about pets, food, and price.
and you made a decision.
That's not easy in a new country.
But you did it.
Let's review some useful sentences together.
Say them out loud with us. This is my first time here.
This is my first time here. This is my first time here.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet.
I'd like a little more time.
I'd like a little more time. I'd like a little more time.
How much is this?
How much is this? How much is this?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Now it's your turn.
Don't worry about being perfect
Say 3 to 5 sentences about a pet store.
or about choosing a pet.
You can start with,
The first time I went to a pet store,
or
I want to take good care of my pet.
say it out loud.
Or write it down.
Trying is what matters.
Every time you try, you learn.
Before we finish, remember this.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to ask for help.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're really glad you're here.
Keep listening
Keep practicing.
and be proud of every small step you take.
We'll see you in the next episode.